everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make our roast beef in the oven, but first I'm going to sear it on the stove, and that way it's going to hold in all the juices while it is cooking in the oven. And then I'm going to chop some vegetables, add that into my pot, and then let everything cook in the oven for a couple of hours until it is nice and tender and juicy. Let me show you how I did it. Thank you for hanging out with me as I make some roast beef in the oven, and I hope that you have now learned how easy this is and you can do it in a flash anytime you need a quick dinner idea. Just take your roast beef out the night before or start defrosting it early in the morning, and that way it's ready to go by the time you need to make dinner for the evening. Throw it in a pot, sear it quickly, and then add whatever else you've got, vegetables and some starches, and cook it up in the oven real quick for a yummy and delicious healthy dinner. Alright, see you next time. Bye.